Hi there. I think every junior assistant aspirant has become a part time detective at this point. Seriously, उठो and JKSSP की वेबसाइट देखो. बाय द वे टेलीग्राम चल पड़ा तो अब तो टेलीग्राम चलता रहता है एंड टेलीग्राम पे अनेकों चैनल होते हैं. दे आर सेइंग कि रिजल्ट दिस वीक नेक्स्ट वीक पक्का एंड थिंग्स लाइक दैट. And after you read 15 people's opinion and you become more confused than you were earlier. So today I just wanted to talk about that. It's not an update video because I really don't have no idea what's going on. Okay? And even nobody else has the idea. Okay? Instead of this JKSSB itself. Okay, so let's not waste our time on these rumors and things like that. So I'm just a fellow aspirant and I'm also in the same situation. I'm also waiting just like you guys, and this waiting is really frustrating at this point. So this whole entire process is taking very like long time. No, UPSC जितना time लेने लग चुका है ये ऐसा exam भी. So it's waiting. Oh, frustrating. It's horrible feeling right now. But let us talk about one thing that is important. That is, I have noticed that we people, not only you guys, also me, we have been wasting so much of energy on every notification, every rumor, and every comment, and prediction. We are giving so much attention to those things, but instead, we should be giving attention to the thing that really matters, right? And that is on the preparation, because they have given the final answer key. By the way, shout out to JKSSB for this. पता नहीं ये कैसे दे दिया है, but चलो, I think I hope you guys have checked it and you now know where you people stand, है ना. थोड़ा चलो क्लियर हो गया है, बट पता नहीं रिजल्ट में क्या ही होएगा. ओके, सो आई वाज टेलिंग यू कि रिफ़्रेश कर कर के वेबसाइट एवरी 10 minutes एंड एवरी 10 seconds कुछ नहीं होने वाला. ठीक है, नो रिजल्ट विल बी अपलोडेड लाइक दैट. ठीक है, जब होएगा वी विल गेट टू नो इट, राइट. So that is why I have decided, and I also want you to do the same, because you are like kind of important people right now. So let's check official notification only, not some clickbaits or not some videos like that. Okay? And let not those videos actually steal your routines. Okay? You have to practice, you have to study for upcoming exams. Okay? Syllabus is really vast. So you have to focus on those things also, because studying and doing a physical task is really difficult. नहीं होता एक साथ दोनों चीज़ें. ठीक है, तो आई जस्ट वॉन्ट यू टू डू कि एक तरफ यू पीपल आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर फाइनेंस अकाउंट असिस्टेंट, आई होप, एंड even JKPSI also, and you are also learning typing. If like me, if you are pro, then hats off to you guys, but I am also learning typing right now. तो इसीलिए it's very crucial. Even improving your one word per minute, it's very crucial. So be dedicated to that thing only. ठीक है, ये notifications आती जाती रहती हैं. ठीक है, और जो official होएगा you will get to know. ठीक है, तो I just want you to know that you have to be ready. ठीक है, जब result आएगा, because guys, I have seen people who are typing in this junior assistant exam only, which are like they are touching 60s, 70s, even 90s. I don't want you to compare to those guys, but competition is high, so you also have to prepare like that only. ठीक है, इवन मुझे बड़ा गंदा लग रहा है. आई वॉज लाइक लिटरली वेरी ऑप्टमिस्टिक रिगार्डिंग कि मैंने कितना लर्न किया है, मैंने विद इन मंथ्स लाइक अपनी टाइपिंग को इम्प्रूव किया है, बट it's the competition is really high, so you have to dedicate every minute if you can to those things. ठीक है, तो मैं जस्ट यही बोलूँगी, prepare. ठीक है, be ready whenever the result will be coming, and we are all together in this, and I want you to focus only on your next goal and study also. So that's it for today.